Is that you?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if it is hosted.
Yeah, as long as I can on it.
All right.
Thank you.
Yep, not a problem. Jordan, streaming, we're good. No, I didn't know we were setting up for Alan.
I didn't even think about it.
Why? Good morning, Angela.
Hi, Michelle. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, good.
It's going to be Judge Oakley today.
Oh,
He's
okay.
handling the docket today.
Cool.
Just so you know, and it's being live streamed today.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, and I'll let you know when he's ready.
Okay, thanks.
I'm good, thanks. Appreciate it. Yep, no problem.
And I was thinking off-white or cream color for the shade of the college line.
Yeah, just hopefully so I just kind of lose them, just blend right in.
That's what I'm hoping.
Yep. Thank you.
Good morning, Leanna.
Hi, Michelle. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay.
Just let you know, Judge Oakley is handling the docket today for Al.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And I have one person trying to come in now, Mr. Doty. Do you have the plea offers from Angela?
Yes, I do.
Okay, perfect.
Good morning, Leanna. Good morning, Angela.
Morning, Judge.
Mr. Doty, are you connected?
Yes, I am.
Good morning. Do you have a video cam?
Yes, I do.
If you don't mind. Ms. Manarino, if I'm reading this correctly, you're asking me to make this go away?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Doty, is it all right with you if we dismiss this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then we don't even need your camera, buddy. Case
Okay.
dismissed. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Hunter, are you connected?
I am, yep.
Good morning. Do you have a video camera?
Yes.
Can you turn it on, please? Oh, there you are. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have a file from October 24, 2021. Charges drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. Carries a possible penalty of up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If this charge were to go on your record with Secretary of State, they would assess 2 points. Understood?
Yes.
The prosecutor has made an offer on the file. If you plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, she's asking me to dismiss the drove while license suspended. Same possible fines and court costs, but there will not be 2 points on your driving record. And even more importantly, this charge does not tell Secretary of State that you were driving when you weren't supposed to be driving. So the DWLS charge on your record would be 2 points and probably another suspension period, whereas the allow unlicensed driver to operate will not do that. Do you understand the offer?
Yes.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
I can go forward without one.
Did I give you enough information to make a decision today?
Yes.
And what's your decision, sir?
To take the offer.
All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on October 24, 21?
Yes.
And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charge. We're showing your address on Briarwood, is that right?
I have to update that.
Go ahead.
1303 Windham Drive in Westland.
What's the street name?
Windham, Windham.
And that's in Westland?
Yep.
48185?
48186.
Thank you.
Yo.
And phone number 258-5982?
Yes.
All right. And what's the status of your license now? Still suspended?
Yeah, I have half a payment to make.
All right. Looks like you're already on a payment plan with us, but you're behind since the end of October. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm showing another ticket from Huron Township, a fail to yield ticket from October, that you haven't done anything on that one. So you owe money on that one as well. Are you working?
I just started back.
Where at?
Comcast.
Full time?
Yeah.
Okay. You've been laid off for a while?
Yeah, for about a year. I was off.
Okay. COVID related?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Is there anything you want me to consider before I set the terms of sentence on today's file?
No, not at this time.
All right. Total on this one is $400 fines and costs. You want to roll that into the current payment plan? So you got one payment plan with us?
Yeah, I can do that.
And how much can you pay and when can you start?
Can I pay 140 starting the 15th?
140 per month?
Yeah.
All right. The 15th is next Tuesday?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions?
No.
All right. Have a nice day.
You too.
Good morning. The person who joined with the name Griffin, can we please have your full name?
Griffin St. Charles.
Good morning, Mr. St. Charles.
Good morning. Hello?
Yep. Looking for your file.
Okay.
Judge, I don't see him on the docket.
Yeah, I found him.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah, 850. All right, Mr. St. Charles, I've got a
Oh,
file
gotcha.
here from January 22nd, 2020. Drove a license not valid or improper license. Carries a possible penalty of up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Manarino, is there an offer for Mr. St. Charles to consider?
Your Honor, Ms. Belcher represented him at the last hearing. I was just discussing that with her to see if we
Okay.
can work something out.
Sure. We need to put you ladies in a breakout.
Yes, please.
Michelle will make that happen. Mr. St. Charles, give me a minute. We're going to put your attorney in with the prosecuting attorney, have some conversation.
Okay.
Go ahead and join.
Me?
No,
You can
your
hang out
attorney.
where you're at.
Okay.
Not a very good start to the morning, Michelle.
It's a little slow.
Yeah.
Oh, they gotta get together and bring each other up to speed on what they found. License stuff.
Mr. St. Charles, I'm going to mute you. So all you have to do is click on your microphone when you want to talk, okay?
Okay.
Ladies, are we ready on Mr. St. Charles?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
What are we gonna do?
Dismiss the case, Your Honor.
That's correct.
Thank you. Mr. St. Charles, I'm assuming it's okay with you if we dismiss this.
Yes.
Enjoy your day, sir.
All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. All right, bye-bye.
Good morning. The person who joined with the One Plus Nord, can I have your name? You have to unmute yourself. Click on the microphone. There you go. Say your name again.
Stefan Minor.
Say that name again, sir.
Stefan Minor.
What time are you scheduled, Mr. Minor?
My paper says 8:40.
Mm-mm. Mr. Minor, can you spell your last name for me?
Minor.
I'm not seeing him, Michelle.
Me neither. I'm looking it up.
And I have another one for the 14th. Oh, it's the 14th at 8:40.
So you're a week early?
I think I am.
Yes, I see it now.
Okay. Much better than being a week late, Mr. Minor.
I agree with you, sir.
All right. Enjoy your day, sir.
Thank you. So I'm all set.
You're all set.
All
Back
righty.
next week.
All right. See you next week. How do you do this?
Mr. Minor, just click on leave meeting.
Oh, okay. I
You'd
see
be
it
in your
now.
bottom corner. Yeah.
Yep.
Mr. Quirat, are you there?
Judge, he has no audio. I just sent him a message.
Thanks. What's the offer on that one, Angela?
No option, dismiss the civil infraction.
Thanks. I thought that's what you meant by that note. I just wanted to confirm.
Okay.
Mr. Quirat, are you connected?
Yes, sir.
How do you say the last name?
Carowet.
Carouette?
Yep.
Good morning. I've got two files here from January 4, 2022. One is a civil infraction, no proof of insurance. The other is a misdemeanor charge of drove while licensed, suspended, revoked, or denied. The
Okay.
misdemeanor charge carries a possible penalty of up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The prosecutor has made a offer on the file. If you plead guilty to the added charge of no valid operator's license on person, both the original charges will be dismissed. No valid license on person is a misdemeanor up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. The main difference to you is no valid operator's license on person has no points. The drove while license suspended has 2 points. Do you understand the offer?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney? Would you like to speak to our court-appointed attorney?
We can go without one, I guess, because I can't afford it.
Well, you don't have to pay for a court-appointed attorney.
Well, no, I'm good without one.
Did I give you enough information to make a decision?
Yeah.
What would you like to do?
Guilty, I guess.
Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on January 4th?
Yes, sir.
At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
At that time, yes, but I had no knowledge of the license being suspended.
You got a new address or something that the Secretary of State couldn't find you?
No, I lived at the same address for the whole time.
All right, and that's the Pine
I
Street
just never
address?
received anything in the mail about it.
All right, and is that address on Pine Street, the one I've got in my file?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, I can accept your plea to no valid operator's license on person. I will dismiss both the original charges. I want to make sure you understand that when this goes on your record with Secretary of State, it lets them know that you were driving on January 4 when you weren't supposed to be driving. And that could result in another suspension period. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anything you want me to consider before I set the terms of sentence today?
Is there any way the license can be unsuspended because I need it for my job?
That's up to Secretary of State. I don't know why it's suspended now.
Okay.
Do you
Right,
know why
that
it's
was it
suspended
then.
now?
No, I have no idea.
Okay. Anything else?
Nope, that's it, sir.
Fines and costs on the file, $400. Fines and costs are due within 5 days of being assessed. If you cannot make that happen, you need to go to our website. Just Google the 34th District Court under the Contact Us tab, and you'll see some options online.
Okay.
Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
Enjoy your day.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
The person who joined with the name, is it Senko Rios?
Oh, excuse me, no speak Spanish? Excuse me, no speak Spanish?
No, I do
Spanish.
not.
I don't understand English too much.
¿Cómo se llama?
Minor Escobar Ríos.
Whew, I didn't even understand that.
Can you tell us what your name is?
It's Minor Escobar Ríos.
I didn't see
Escobar.
that.
I'm not seeing an Escobar.
Me neither.
Yeah, Escobar, Escobar.
910. F910.
910.
Escobar Rios.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, I see it.
You know what? We can get an interpreter on the phone, at least so we can give them a date. How do we do that?
Let me check because I think we were told last week that we weren't allowed to do that. So let me check.
Your Honor, I can try to get one of my friends who speaks Spanish on the phone, Crystal Medina. You may remember her from the weekends. That way you can at least just give this gentleman a date.
Yeah, let's try that if you can. Thanks. That would be very nice. Uno momento, Mr. Rios.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Sorry for no speak English.
Okay, Judge, I got Crystal on the line. Crystal, say hi to Judge Oakley.
Hi, Judge. How are you doing?
Better than I deserve, Crystal. Thank you for the help.
Oh, no problem.
We're gonna ask you to explain. We're gonna ask you to explain to Mr. Rios that we're gonna give him a new court date. Michelle, what's the date on that?
March 14th at 9:30.
Señor Ríos, te van a dar una corte nueva para el 14 de marzo a las 9:30.
Pero, ¿y por qué es tan grave lo que me di vuelta?
Your Honor, he has indicated why. Is it serious, the situation?
They need an
why-
interpreter, Crystal.
I'm sorry?
An interpreter.
Es solo por un intérprete, señor. Yo soy abogada, que la más que está ahí ayudando un minutico. I explained that it's for an interpreter, that I'm an attorney, and I'm just helping for right now. So,
Crystal,
señor,
you can let him know we've got.
solo por un intérprete.
Ajá.
Crystal, just so he's not too much panic mode, he's got a speeding ticket and a misdemeanor drove with license not valid. That's what we're trying to deal with.
Ok, señor, el juez me indicó específicamente que no estuvieras, o sea, en pánico, que está más que un ticket de speeding y de licencia, pero necesitas tener intérprete.
Ajá, sí, yo ya solicité, como a mí me pusieron un ticket por creo que rápido, pero yo ya tengo mi ID y yo voy a sacar mi licencia.
Okay, señor. Okay, so Your Honor, he broke up a little bit, but he's trying to explain more of the substance of the case. I'm going to again reiterate to him that it is just being adjourned for him to have a formal interpreter.
Thank you.
Señor, eso está muy bien, pero se tiene que cambiar para otra fecha porque ellos requieren que haya una intérprete formal, señor. Yo soy una abogada que me llamaron por el teléfono como un favor, ¿ok?
No, ok, muchas gracias, le agradezco mucho. ¿Y cuándo sería la corte?
He says, okay, he appreciates that very much, and he asks, when is the court? I am going to tell him again. Es el 14 de marzo a las 9:30.
Ok, por aquí mismo y por el mismo ID, ¿verdad?
And the same way that he logged in today, correct?
Yes.
Sí, la misma manera, señor.
Ok, muchas gracias. Gracias, le agradezco mucho por interpretarme.
Okay, he said, thank you very much, and that he appreciates me for interpreting.
You're
Okay,
welcome, sir.
You can tell him he can sign off.
Thank you, Crystal.
Ya puedes colgar, señor, okay?
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, que estés bien. He said, thank you again. All right, Judge Oakley, thank you. Bye, Leanna. You have a great day.
Bye,
both of
girl.
you.
Thanks
I
much.
No problem. Take care. Bye.
Mr. Vandernoot, are you connected?
Yes, I am.
Do you have a video cam?
Yes, I do.
There you are. Good morning.
Good morning.
Trying to find your file. When were you scheduled?
9:30. I'm a bit early, sorry. I wanted to make sure that it works.
Early is better than late. No problem at all. All right, let's see what we got. All right, Mr. Vandernoot, I've got two files from January 14, 2022. A speeding ticket, civil infraction, and a misdemeanor drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. The misdemeanor carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Ms. Manarino, the offer is take the misdemeanor to an allowing, and what are we doing with the speeding, if anything?
Offers allowing and dismissing the speed.
I'm sorry, dismiss the civil?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Oh, wrong files. Michelle, reach out to somebody. This is the second set of files I picked up today that the labels don't match the insides.
Yeah, I had a couple the other day like that.
So I want to
Okay.
make sure that Mr. Vandernoot actually has those two charges.
Let me look. I can look them up.
Give me just a minute, Mr. Vandernoot. I want to make sure we're not dealing with somebody else's files with you.
No problem.
Yes, Judge, I show allowing a suspended person to drive and speeding 21 over.
So that was his original charge, is allowing?
That's what it looks like here. That's what it says.
All right. Do you
Allowed
have
as
the ability to
suspended.
print? I'm sorry?
Yep, I will print it right now.
Yeah. So, because I've got Townsend ROAs. I don't even see Townsend on the docket anymore.
Okay.
All right, so Mr. Vandernoot, the offer from the prosecution is that you plead to allow unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle, the drove while license suspended, and speeding tickets would be dismissed. The main difference to you is the drove while license suspended charge will result in 2 points on your record with Secretary of State and almost assuredly a longer suspension period or a resuspension. The allow unlicensed driver to operate will not do either one of those things. Still fines and costs possible, still possible jail time, although I don't put people in jail for these charges. Understood?
Understood.
Are you prepared? Thank you. Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
I'm prepared to go without an attorney.
I'm sorry, say again?
I'm prepared to go without an attorney.
Okay, and Angela, I guess I misspoke. His original charge is allow suspended person to operate. So is there an offer on that one?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so the original charge is allow a suspended person to operate. If you plead to that, the speeding ticket would be dismissed. Do you understand that?
I understand, and I appreciate it.
And you're prepared to go forward today without an attorney?
I'm prepared to go forward with an attorney.
And what are you doing? What's your decision?
I take the offer. I mean,
All right, you're gonna plead guilty to the allow unlicensed driver to operate, and the speeding ticket will be dismissed,
agree.
correct?
Correct.
Thank you, sir. Is it true that you drove a vehicle in Van Buren Township on January 13, 2022?
It is true. I didn't know. I mean, I would not have drove without a license. I didn't know. That's the reason why I drove without. I really didn't know that I was suspended.
All right. I can accept your plea based on those facts. I'll dismiss the speeding ticket. We're showing your address on Highgate Road. Is that correct?
Is correct.
Phone number 502-9119.
Correct.
Anything you would like me to consider before I set the terms of sentence on the file?
No, thank you.
Fines and costs total $400. Fines and costs are due within 5 days of being assessed. If that's something you cannot make happen, I need you to go to our website, 34th District Court, and go under the contact tab to get some options online. Understood?
Understood. So to pay it, I need to go to the website and try to pay online.
You can pay it online. There are some third-party vendor fees, but all the options available are online. So it'll tell you what your options are.
Okay, so I will go online and try to figure it out.
Yep. Beautiful. Thank you. Enjoy your
Thank
day.
you. Enjoy your day.
Good morning. The person who joined with ARR 456, can I please have a name?
Hello?
Yes, good morning. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Yvonne Lundy. Can you hear me?
I can.
Okay, good. That's because I'm new to all of this type of stuff.
Miss Lundy, what time was your case set for?
8:50.
Okay, yep, I see you.
Ms. Lundy, do you have a video camera?
Huh?
Do you have a video camera?
Somebody was supposed to be helping me with this.
That's all
sure
right.
I
Don't
do.
sweat it. Don't sweat it. You've got two files today from December 21, 21 and July 5, 2019. Both files are the same charge. Drove while licensed, suspended, revoked, or denied. Each file is punishable by up to 93 days in jail. Each file is up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Ms. Manarino, is there an offer?
Yes, Your Honor. On one of the DWLS charges, we would amend that to a no ops and we would move to dismiss the second DWLS.
Thank you. Ms. Lundy, the prosecutor's offer is you plead to one count of no valid operator's license on person, and both of the charges of drove while license, suspended, revoked, or denied would be dismissed. The main difference between the two types of charges, DWLS or drove while license suspended would result in 2 points on your driving record with Secretary of State. No valid operator's license on person has 0 points. Each one, when it hits your record with Secretary of State, could result in a greater or longer suspension period, but the no valid operator's license would not have any points. Do you understand the offer as presented?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to our court-appointed attorney?
I don't need an attorney, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, ma'am, you do need an attorney?
No,
You do not want to speak to the attorney?
no.
Give you enough
because
information to make a decision?
You said that if I plead on 1, 2 would be dismissed or that,
Yes,
that's
if
the
you
one.
plead to one count of if you plead to one count of no valid license on person, then both counts of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied will be dismissed.
I want that one.
All right. Did you drive a vehicle July 5, 2019 in Van Buren Township?
Yes, I did.
And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, it was.
Accept your plea to that charge, dismiss both of the original charges. We're showing your address on the service drive, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And phone number in the file is 642-6960, is that also correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there anything you want me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
Okay, sir. I work where my address is. Okay, and I have been struggling with my rent and everything. It's been really slow here. But I did come to the court. I came to the court. I called the court up. Okay, and I'll be 59 years old in March 4th. And every time I see a, pardon me, sir.
I said happy birthday. I said happy birthday.
Thank you, sir. But my health, I'm worried about my health. Okay. I've been getting in a lot of trouble with this driving on suspended license. I mean, it was like it started off small and then it just got big and it just grew and grew and it's just going to Walmart, the Family Dollar, and at this point, I'm going to have a stroke. The last time I got stopped driving with my license suspended, and it was just because the tags were expired on my son's car is why I was stopped. I felt like I was going to jump out of my skin and I was going to have a stroke. So my health is at risk. So I have to pay these tickets so I can just breathe, so I can just live my life. I don't like having to run like this. I don't know how people could do this. The people that do that, I don't, they must be in their 20s or their teens, because I cannot do this anymore. I want to pay these tickets. Today at 5 o'clock, I'm getting my taxes done, and I always qualify for a loan, okay? And I get my taxes between the 7th and which is passed because I got to wait for somebody to bring me because, I can't drive. My son will be here at 5 o'clock when he gets off work. I'm getting my taxes done. And by the end of February, because I've been going to H&R Block for 30 years, I've been going to this same place. I'll have my taxes in about 3 weeks and I'm paying this in full because I just can't take this anymore. I just can't.
Okay.
I just can't take it anymore.
Okay. So on this file, on today's file, the total on the file, fines and costs, including late fees and clearance fee, $545.
Yes.
You've got some other files that you owe us money on. Looks like you had a payment plan that was supposed to start in February.
Yes, it was, and I did speak to the clerk, and that's why I said that I've been struggling just to pay my rent. I've been struggling, and it's really been slow. I'm a housekeeper, and I make $10 an hour, but I've been employed here for 2 years.
The files, Ms. Lundy, the total on all the files is $1,700. That would clear you with all of the business you have with our court.
$1,700. So what I want to do, Your Honor, if I can, sir, is when I get my tax money, can I please pay the $1,000 and then make payments on the 700? Can I please?
Yeah, and you can do that within 30 days?
Yes, give me 30 days. Give me 30 days, Your Honor. Yes.
Sure, we can do that. We can do that. Now,
Thank
ma'am,
you.
I want you to grab a pen and a paper.
Okay, I'm in the office here. They allowed me to do my Zoom here in the office and Dawn was supposed to help me because I don't know anything about phones and things like that, and she done left me. Okay, I got a pen and a piece of paper.
All right, I want you, when your son picks you up today, ask your son to help you go online, and I want you to go to Wayne Metro, their website. Wayne Metro is the agency that's helping people with a lot of their rent problems with some of that federal money. They also have a lot of other programs that I think you might be able to benefit from. So have your son help you find them on the computer, Wayne Metro. And if you can't find them, then you contact the court and we'll get you some contact info. Understood? Miss Lundy, did I lose you? Oh, that's unfortunate.
Hello?
All right, Miss Lundy, you're back? I lost you for a minute. Did you hear what I said about Wayne Metro?
Yes, I am. I hate these phones.
I don't blame you. I'm not too fond of them either.
What'd you say, Your Honor? I was
Help
born in 1963, you know?
Okay.
Okay, I know about Wayne Metro because I've had help with electric bills and stuff, so I can do that. And you know, and I pay my rent out of my paycheck, so I'm okay. Pardon me?
You should contact Wayne Metro.
Your Honor?
Go ahead.
Keeps going out, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, you make us. I can't even hear nothing, baby. Hello, hello.
Okay, ma'am, Miss Lundy, our business is all done. I want to wish you a happy day.
Thank you, Your Honor, because I'm so frustrated, and you can't, you know, Dawn here cleaning up. She's OCD like I am, and I can't stop her.
Have a nice day.
And in the phone, I must be pressing some button or something. Thank you, Your Honor. I'll have that.
Hey, I got a issue. You know, when I'm removing people from the Zoom, every time I hit the remove button, I get a thing up that says, who do you want to report, and you know what happened, submit or don't submit. And I've never seen it until today. Oh, okay. All right. I can ignore it, but I just thought it was weird. Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. Okay.
Judge, I've been having that issue for probably a month.
Only on this one?
Yeah. No, and when I try to remove somebody, I get that notice up.
Leanne, I appreciate your comment, but I wish you would tell my wife that. I keep telling her the reason I'm so impatient at home is because I use it all up at work.
I'll tell her next time I see her.
Pseudo ready, are you connected? Michelle, I haven't found anybody on the docket list that I think might be that person.
Yeah, I've looked through it 3 times. And I sent them I can't get them to respond.
Yeah, you've tried to chat, I assume?
Yeah, let me try again.
That almost never works.
There he is. The person who joined with the name Suda Reddy, can I have your name?
You put it in the chat, Michelle.
Did he put, oh, he did. Thank you. I didn't see that.
Sir, can you hear me?
Hello,
Yes, sir. What's your name?
Manuel Yacoban,
What time were you scheduled?
9:20.
I don't see him.
No, wrong docket. What do you,
Let me
what's
check
your
his-
court matter? What are you trying to accomplish?
Excuse me?
What are you trying to accomplish? I don't think you're in the right Zoom room.
I tried to connect to Magistrate Allen. I clicked
Yeah.
on his, I went to the district court and I clicked it on his, and this is where it took me.
All right, you got a notice for today? Check your notice because you're not on our list for today.
Are you not Magistrate Allen?
I am not, but I am handling his docket today, but I don't have you on the docket. So. do you
I
have
could
your
show you the
notice?
paper.
I found his case.
You got
Sir,
it?
you're set for March 7th. Today is February 7th. I'm looking at it right now, March 7th in front of Magistrate Hindman at 9:20.
I'm sorry, I was,
That's okay. And it's a different prosecutor, so.
there was a misunderstanding between me and my brother, so I thought it was
No
today.
problem.
You're okay,
When you
you're
call
good.
in March, when you call in March, try to put your name on the, sign in with your name. It makes it easier to find your file.
Okay,
Good luck.
all right, thanks. God bless you guys.
He has. Damn, this is a slow docket. Are all his like this?
I couldn't
is
tell you
ridiculous.
as of recent.
Oh, that's true.
This is typically how these DWLS dockets go, Judge.
Damn. I'm gonna have to start bringing in my knitting or something.
Only if you knit me a blanket.
If I had any clue on how to knit, I would be happy to.
Leanna, he can make you a table.
There we go.
It wouldn't keep you warm though.
Judge, are you holding onto those files that had the wrong information, wrong labels? Did you put them aside?
No, the last one, I just sent them out with a post-it on, said that,
Okay, I'll find them.
yeah.
Angela, I just saw your message and that's impossible because I'm staring at the waiting room. He's in the wrong waiting room.
Well, that makes it even funnier then. I'll email him back and confirm that he's in the proper Zoom room.
I'm looking at it. There's no one in the waiting room.
Okay, well, that makes me feel better then.
Unless I'm
I'll shoot
missing
him
something.
I'll shoot him
Judge,
an email.
Judge, do you see anybody in the waiting room?
No.
Me neither. Thank you.
Thanks, Michelle. I'll email
You're
him.
welcome. Good morning. The person who is joined with the Galaxy A51, can you give me your name, please?
My name is Jessica Dukes. Could you hear me?
I can. Jessica Dukes.
Yes.
9:40, Michelle.
Yep, got it.
Ms. Dukes, do you have a video camera you can turn on?
I do. I'm not sure how to access it.
Well, if you can figure it out, it would be appreciated. We've got 3 files with your name on them from January 14, 22. We've got a no proof of insurance civil infraction. Good morning. We've got a no proof of insurance civil infraction. We've got a registration or plate violation civil infraction, and we've got a misdemeanor drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. The misdemeanor carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Ms. Manarino, offer?
Yes, Your Honor, on the
No wants and
DWL.
dismissed. Got it.
Got it. Yes, Judge.
All right. Ms. Dukes, the offer from the prosecutor is if you plead guilty to no valid operator's license on person, all 3 of these charges would be dismissed. No valid operator's license on person is also a misdemeanor, punishable by up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. The big difference between the 2 misdemeanors is the no valid operator's license does not have any points on your record. The drove while license suspended has 2 points on your Secretary of State driving record. Either one of those or each of those, when they hit your record, could result in another suspension period, but one has 2 points, one does not. Do you understand the offer?
Yes.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to our court-appointed attorney?
A court appointed, I suppose.
All right, we're gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Belcher.
Okay.
Room 1, Michelle.
Yep, that works. Go ahead, Ms. Dukes, and join the breakout room. The person who joined with the Alcatel 1 SE, can I have your name, please?
Vance Davis.
I'm sorry, say it again.
Vance Davis.
You catch that, Michelle? Because I didn't.
Vance Davis.
Thank you. Mr. Davis, what time were you scheduled, sir? I can't find you on my
I don't
list.
see him.
9:30.
Sorry, what?
9:30?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, check your notice. I don't think you're scheduled today.
I'm looking for him. Sir, is your middle name Jamal?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a junior?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you say yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Yep, same as the other individual that came on, Judge. Sir, your case is set for March 7th. You're a month early. Okay. So you do the same thing you did today, but your case is set for March 7th.
Okay.
Okay.
Good morning, counsel.
Morning, Judge.
What do you got today?
I have Melissa Justice, who we were in the wrong room.
Okay.
We were in the 6074. So there she is.
There's the judge. Who's that? Is that the judge? Oh, it's the lawyer. Can you hear me?
Yeah, but put yourself on mute till the judge is ready for us, if you could.
Sure.
And Miss Manarino.
Yes, Your Honor.
On justice, is there an offer?
No, Your Honor.
So, Your Honor, because there's no offer, I have to set this for trial.
Correct, Miss Manarino?
There is no offer, Your Honor. I conveyed that to Mr. Goldman yesterday.
Okay, all right. Yeah, counsel, we can set it for trial, or we can take a straight up plea, your call.
So we'd like to set it for trial, Your Honor. Counsel's been very good getting me discovery, but I don't have 100% of what I need yet. So I wonder if we could maybe set this down for final pretrial, and in the interim, hopefully she can get me what I need and we don't have to come back and.
And Your Honor, just so the record's clear, I have produced everything that the Van Buren Township Police Department is in possession of from Walmart. Mr. Goldman has asked for some materials. I have informed him, I'm not sure if the materials he's asking for exist. We certainly are not in possession of them. I've sent the officer over there twice to make contact with Walmart to see if we can obtain these materials that he's asking for. And so we are working on it. I just can't guarantee that the items that he is asking for are actually in possession of Walmart. I don't have that information at this point.
And by the way, Your Honor, I totally accept that. I totally accept that counsel's giving me what she has. And it's a funny position. It's kind of up to Walmart to make their case here. And I think there's probably video of my client other than the inculpatory video that they would like to show. I'd like to see the exculpatory video. And one day I may want an instruction that says if they don't produce that video, it would probably have helped us. Whatever, just crossing the T's if we have to go to trial.
Okay. Michelle, can you give me a pretrial date?
I can. And Judge, would I be setting this on your docket?
I don't care, sure.
Okay, March 3rd at 9 o'clock.
Counsel, does that work? March 3rd, 9 o'clock?
Let's see. I think I have an in-person exam at 10:30, but 9 o'clock should not be a conflict with that, so that should be fine.
Okay, all right. Just so you know, I'm always ready to work at 8 o'clock or shortly thereafter, as is my recorder. So if you're worried about your 9 o'clock being pushing it a little bit, come in early.
If I show up to the right Zoom meeting, Your Honor.
That'll help, yes.
Yeah, the next one will be Judge Oakley's Zoom. So it'll be the different Zoom, and I'll send a notice out, but it will be the one you were in previously.
All right, sorry about that confusion. Thank you both so much.
No problem. Enjoy your day.
You as well.
Ms. Belcher, are you ready on Dukes?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready.
What are we doing?
Leanna Belcher on behalf of Ms. Dukes. Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak with my client in a breakout room. I've gone over the offer with her again. She does wish to accept the offer, plead to no ops with the original 3 charges to be dismissed.
Thank you. Ms. Dukes, you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
You discussed your rights and the options those rights give you with Ms. Belcher?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on January 14, 2022?
Yes.
And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss all 3 of the original charges. I'm showing your address on Parkwood Street. Is that correct?
Yes.
Can you provide me a phone number so we can put it on the file?
734-366-0734.
Is there anything you want me to, Ms. Belcher, anything I should know before sentencing?
Your Honor, my client had reached out to the Secretary of State. It's my understanding she has to do an appeal with Lansing. I told her to contact an attorney that specializes in driver's license restorations. That way she can figure out what she needs to do to get her license back.
Absolutely.
She is unemployed. She's supporting herself through child support. That is her only source of income. She does have 2 children, so her financial situation is strained.
Ms. Dukes, anything else you want to add?
No, sir.
All right. Is that, excuse me, is that what was going on with the no proof of insurance and the registration of plates, just because you're too tight financially?
Yes.
All right. All right, total fines and costs on the file, $300. Fines and costs are due within 5 days of being assessed. If you can't make that happen, go on our website under the Contact Us tab, and you'll see some online options where you can set up payment plan or whatever you have to do to make that right.
Okay.
Any questions for Ms. Belcher before I terminate the meeting?
No.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Hey, good morning. Just a heads up, I'm supposed to do a wedding at 10:30. Yep. See ya.
The person who just joined us with the Moto G stylus, can I have your name, please?
Yes, Steve Santos.
$9.50, Michelle.
Yep, got it. Thank you.
Mr. Santos, do you have a video cam you can turn on?
Yes. Okay, how's that?
Better, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
Better than I deserve. Mr. Santos, I've got 3 files with your name on them.
Okay,
I've got a January 15, 22 failed to stop, assured clear distance ahead, civil infraction. From that January 15th date, I've got a civil infraction, no proof of insurance. And also from that date, I've got a drove while license not valid or improper license.
yes.
The prosecutor has made an offer on that file. Let me confirm that.
Okay.
Yeah, if you plead guilty to no valid operator's license on person on January 15th, all the other charges will be dismissed. So no valid operator's license on person is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court cost. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, sir.
You understand the offer that's being made?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
And did I give you enough information to make a decision today?
Yes, sir.
What's your decision, sir?
I'm gonna go with the no operators. I'm gonna
All
take
right.
the plea.
Understand when we report a conviction of no valid operator's license on person to the Secretary of State, they may resuspend you because that tells them on January 15 you were driving when you were not supposed to.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, you're going to plead guilty to the no valid operator's license on person charge?
Yes, sir.
Did you drive a vehicle on January 15, 2022 in Van Buren Township?
Yes, sir.
At that time, was your license invalid or improper in some way?
Yes.
What was the problem with your license?
It got it's not suspended, it's just it was suspended and I paid the fines and I went to get my license and I had to make an appointment for next Monday, and I have to go in and get my license. It's because they canceled it.
All right. Okay. You got your license straight now?
Yep. Monday I go to Secretary of State and get it straight.
Okay. Your address on Sugar Bush, that correct?
Yes, sir.
How about a phone number?
734-444-4500.
Thank you. Is there anything you'd like me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
No, that's good. Thank you.
All right, total fines and costs on the file, Mr. Santos, $500. Court
Okay.
fines and costs are due within 5 days of being assessed. If you can't make that happen, you need to go to our website, internet search 34th District Court, go to the Contact Us tab, and you'll see some online options. Any
Okay.
questions?
Nope. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Angela, Leanna, would it make this
Yes, Judge.
docket, would it make this docket flow better if we had more names per time slot so we didn't have so much dead time?
Maybe because we don't have, a high percentage of people that seem to appear for this docket.
Yeah, we don't. My only concern is it usually is a little slower because we don't have a clerk on assisting Al. So I'm just concerned if we overwhelm him with high volume, that it may not be productive.
Yep. No, I hadn't thought of that.
Good morning, Mr. Patton.
Good morning.
Would you like to speak with our in-house attorney this morning?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, hold on,
Can
I'll
you
put
see
you
me?
in a break. Oh, can you, start your video? I sent you a link.
I can't tell.
Ms. Belcher, do you see his name on the list?
Yeah, I'm talking to Angela right now about his
Okay,
file.
sorry. Do you want me to wait to put you in the breakout room?
You can throw me in there and I'll just turn on my camera when I'm done with Angela.
Okay, okay, perfect. Mr. Patton, go ahead and join the breakout room. Mr. Patton, go ahead and join the breakout room. I sent you a link to it, or go ahead.
Hey, Michelle,
Yes, ma'am.
did you send him an invite? I didn't see him
I
join.
did, and then he blinked out and then came back, but now his screen's frozen again.
Okay.
So I don't know if I should move you guys to a different room and then send him another one.
You can try that.
Let me try that. Oh, nope, he's gone. I'm not calling her.
I know what you wanted me to do with that because I don't know why she's calling my office to ask to reschedule since I'm not the court.
Yeah, that's really weird. I just read that.
Yeah, so I mean, I don't know what you want me to do. If you want me to call her and tell her to call the court, because obviously I have nothing to do with scheduling of her court date.
It didn't work.
We lost him. I think he tried and then because his screen kept freezing. I'll see if he comes back.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, wait, now I see him in there. Right, where'd he go? He's in room 1. Let me move you, Leanna.
Okay,
I don't know how he got into room 1. Maybe when he froze it. I don't know.
Michelle, he's not there.
Isn't that funny? Because when I look at it, it shows he's there.
This is very strange.
Because it has a green dot. Like,
He's not
okay.
there. You want me to wait? You want me to wait in the main session? Oh, no. There.
Oh, now he's back. I don't know where he keeps going. Okay, Mr. Patton, we're going to try this again. Try it now. I put him in 1, Leanna. Let's see if we can all be there.
Let's see.
He looks frozen again.
Yep. I'll go check and see if by chance he's in the room.
Oh, God. Yes.
I just called her and let her know that she needed to contact the court.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm trying to look up her case right now.
Yeah, it looks like she was, let's see. Yeah, she was scheduled for 9 a.m. I don't know why she waits until 10 o'clock to call my office, but I let her know to contact the court.
And that's fine. Yeah, that's what she has to do anyway. She has to go email.
Yeah, I told her to go online and, you know, either call by phone or go online and contact them.
Perfect.
Get on the website.
Perfect. Ms. Belcher, were you able to talk to him?
No, his connection's horrible. We're just gonna have to get another date for him to come back.
Okay. Okay. I'll send him a new notice.
Ms. Manorino, Mr. Chapman is in the building. I told him to bring him in my courtroom.
Thank you, Judge.
So Judge, the person who couldn't connect was Glenn Patton. And I told Leanna that we would send him a new notice.
And it's my understanding as well on that file, Your Honor, Ms. Manarino was waiting to hear back from the ordinance officer to see if the property's been cleaned up some. I tried to have a conversation with my client, but his connection's so bad that I couldn't make out of anything that he was saying.
Thanks.
Leanna, is March 10th or March 14th good for you on that?
Emily, you want to talk to Leanna?
Can we do the 14th? I have an in-person hearing on the 10th.
Yeah, it is the 14th anyway.
Leanna, did you talk to Emily yet about Mr. Williams from last week?
No, Your Honor.
You know, Mr. Williams, the guy with the real rough voice, that I ordered his vehicle immobilized, and I said, however he wants to work that out, you could assist.
Yes, sir.
Any luck?
He was leaving his vehicle in the court parking lot, and he had somebody, from what he was saying, pick him up, and he showed the court officer which vehicle was supposed to be his.
Okay, all right. Do you know who he talked to? Which one of our guys?
I know Jamie was up there, and then the other guy with the glasses. What was his name? That's usually at the front.
You? Was it you? All right, it was Crow, but Crow is in my courtroom right now. So
Yep.
Emily, get with Joe and just figure out how we're gonna keep track of that, make sure it's here for 30 days or whatever order.
All right.
Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Leanna.
No problem.
Still nobody in the waiting room. All right, Ms. Manarino, Mr. Chapman's in my courtroom. Good morning, Mr. Chapman.
Yes, Your Honor.
I've got two files from January 1822, one civil infraction, drove without due care and caution, and one misdemeanor, drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. Ms. Manarino has offered, if you plead to the misdemeanor, the civil infraction would be dismissed. You understand the offer?
Okay, which is which?
The civil infraction is failed to drive without due care and caution. Misdemeanors is drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. So plead to the misdemeanor, the civil infraction goes away as the offer.
I'm on the verge of getting my license back now that Secretary of State is starting to do stuff.
Okay.
I need to get something unabstractable if I can. And that would.
Ms.
greatly
Manarino,
help.
can you hear him? Are you picking his audio up?
Yeah, I can hear him, Judge. Give me just a
Okay.
second. Let me find his driving record.
Okay. You got a hearing with him or anything? What's going on with Secretary of State?
I'm fixing to set it up. It's been all clustered since 2020.
Yeah.
and
Yeah, so what you need is if she'll offer you something like allowing licensed driver that doesn't go up.
Yeah, something
Create
like
another
that, and then I
suspension.
can plead to it. And
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm in bad financial straits right now. We're just barely keeping up the land contract, my woman and I. I do have a new woman.
That does not surprise me.
Well, this is the best one I've ever had. I prayed for this.
Well, keep telling her that. Make sure she knows that.
Well, I keep telling God, what do you mean by this? He says, you asked for a Christian woman, so I hooked you up when you needed it the worst.
Mr. Patton, are you connected?
I am.
All right. Ms. Belcher, you want to try again with Mr. Patton?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Breakout room?
That's fine.
Go ahead. You can both join room 1.
Where you living now?
With Scotty Marshall, but I stay a lot with my woman a lot.
Where's she at geographically?
She's towards Ypsilanti. She's doing.
Somebody told me months ago. Told
Mr.
me
Patton, go ahead and join the breakout room, please.
That's good.
They're not looking for you then? Ms. Manarino, you are muted if you're trying to talk to us. Oh. I see your lips, but I'm not hearing anything.
No, it's just like real garbled, Angela.
That's weird. She was loud and clear before she
Judge?
signed off.
Judge?
Okay, try something.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now you're coming through.
Okay, I switched the microphone. So I looked at Mr. Chapman's driving record and I'd be agreeable to amending the DWLS to allowing and dismissing the civil infraction.
You can't beat that. What she said she'd amend to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate and dismiss the civil infraction. So that says you let your buddy drive your car and he was suspended.
That's good enough for me,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Angela. He said
You're welcome,
yes.
Judge.
All right. So Mr. Chapman, on January 18, 2022, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at that time?
Yes.
I'll dismiss the original 2 charges that were issued. Anything else you want me to know on the file before I sentence? Is the East Shore River Drive address a good mailing? East Shore River Drive a good mailing address?
Actually, post office box 665 48112. They socked me $80.
Hold on a minute. P.O. Box, what's the number?
2665
2665? In what zip?
48112.
Is that Ipsy?
No, that's Bell's post office box.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Huh, okay. All right, anything else you want me to know?
Not on the record, Your Honor.
Yeah, we'll take care of that in a minute, I think. Ms. Belcher, are you ready on Patton?
Your Honor, we again couldn't go in the breakout room. At this point, Angela cannot confirm if anything's been cleared up, so we're just gonna need the March 14th date anyways.
Okay, okay. Mr. Patton, understood?
Judge, he has no audio.
All right, what was that date? 3/14?
3/14 at 9:10.
Okay, I made a note. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
When we
Nobody
lost
else,
him.
in the waiting room? All right, Mr. Chapman,
Yes,
anything
Your
else before I sentence?
Nothing else, Your Honor.
All right. $300 fines and costs. Fines and costs are due within 5 days of being assessed. If you can't make that happen, go on our website under the contact. Can you do that? You got the ability?
Not really.
All right. You want a monthly? You want a due date? What
Yeah,
works?
give me $50 a month,
When can you start?
end of the month.
Last Friday of February is the 25th. That work?
That's fine with me. If I can't make it, I'll give you a call.
Yeah.
Like I said, there's dire straits right now until the spring starts rolling and trees start getting cut again.
I do not have the ability of like shutting down all the microphones in here, so let me just step in. Yeah.
Mr. Patton, we adjourned your case to March 14th at 9:10 a.m. Mr. Patton? Mr. Patton? Mr. Patton, if you can hear me, we adjourned your case to March 14th at 9:10 a.m. So you can leave this meeting.
I do.
I'll send them right in.
More information than I needed. Hey, Michelle?
Yes,
Hey, is there any way we can mute the courtroom while I do a wedding?
I think I can mute you. Let me see if it works. Go ahead. I can't hear you now. Angela and Leanna, we're gonna shut down.
Okay, thank you. Carol.
Gave everyone plenty of time.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.